The area of the region bounded by the x-axis and the curves y is equal to tan x. Here x lies in between minus 62 plus 60 and y is equal to cot x, and here x lies between 30 to 270. So first of all we draw the diagram. Y is equal to tan x and y is equal to cot x. Now it is origin, x-axis and y-axis. Y is equal to tan x is the curve like this, and y is equal to cot x is the curve like this. This is, these two curves are intersecting at a point x is equal to pi by 4, and here pi by 6 is the point. This is x is equal to pi by 6 and pi by 3. This is the point, pi by 3. Pi by 3, x is equal to pi by 3. This is the required area bounded by the parabola curves. That is the shaded area is the required area. First of all we find the area in the interval pi by 6 to pi by 4. That is, this is the area made by the curve cot x. This is the area made by the curve cot x on x-axis. And pi by 4 to pi by 3, this is the area made by the curve tan x on x-axis. So that's why we're taking required area as integral pi by 6 to pi by 4. Pi by 6 to pi by 4, this is the area made by the curve cot x dx plus integral pi by 4 to pi by 3. Pi by 4 to pi by 3, this is the area made by the curve tan x dx. Now integral of cot x means log mod sin x, pi by 6 to pi by 4, plus integral of tan x means log mod secant x, pi by 4 to pi by 3. Now applying upper limit, log of 1 by root 2 minus log of sin 30 means 1 by 2 plus log of secant 60. Secant 60 means log 2 minus log mod 45 means root 2. So that's why it is log of 1 by root 2. Minus 1 can taken into upper side, that is plus 2 into log 2, 1 by root 2 plus 2 log 2. Now taking 2 is common, log of 1 by root 2 into 2, log mn. Log mn means log 2, that is equal to 2 into log of 1 by root 2 into 2. Now it is log m plus log n is log mn. So this is root 2. 2 log root 2 is the answer. That is the required area. The area bounded by y is equal to x and y is equal to x cube on x-axis. That means this is a straight line, this is a curve. Now first of all we draw a diagram, that is coordinate axis, this is origin, y is equal to x, that is a straight line, this is y is equal to x, and y is equal to x cube is a curve, draw like this, it is also passes through origin. So these two, the line and the curve are intersect each other. So solve y is equal to x and y is equal to x cube. So that implies x is equal to x cube. That implies x is equal to 0 and 1 plus or minus 1. So therefore it is origin is one of the point of intersection, and another one is this x is equal to 1 and this is x is equal to minus 1. So this is a required area lies between the line and the curve. By the symmetry, these two areas are equal. So that's why we find the area integral. We find the area is equal to integral 2 into integral 0 to 1 line minus curve x minus x cube dx. So that is equal to 2 into integral of x means x squared by 2 minus integral of x cube means x power 4 by 4 0 to 1. So that is 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 2 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Is the area, required area is 1 by 2. Number 15. The area bounded by the curves y is equal to log x and y is equal to 2 to the power of x, and the lines x is equal to 1 by 2, comma x is equal to 2. Here y is equal to 2 power x and y is equal to log x does not intersect between x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 2. So first of all we draw a diagram. This is coordinate axis, origin x positive, y is equal to 2 power x, that is a straight that represents a curve passes through 1. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 power x. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 power 0 means 1. So this is 0 comma 1. This is the curve y is equal to x square, and this is the curve y is equal to log x, the curve, and x is equal to 1 by 2 is this one, and x is equal to 2 is the another line says. In these two intervals the two curves does not intersect. So that's why we're taking, this is the area, required area is this one. So the area between the curves is required area. Required area is integral 1 by 2 to 2. Upper curve is x 2 to the power of x minus, this is 2 to the power x minus log x dx. 2 to the power of x, integral of 2 to the power of x is 2 power x by log 2 minus integral of log x is x log x, x log x. One by 2 to 2. That is equal to now applying upper limit, 2 square means 4 by log 2 minus lower limit 2 log 2 means log 4 plus 2 lower limit 2 to the power 1 by 2, that means square root 2 by log 2 minus 1 by 2 into log 1 by 20, that means 1 by 2 log 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 minus root 2, that is 4 minus root 2 by log 2 minus